Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like.
Sanmanan Dumilang, hello. My name is Malwande and welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you've been here before. As you've seen by the title and as promised in my last video, here is my moisture routine for my natural hair. So for context, it has been about a week since the previous wash day. This is the moisture routine that I do as I prepare for the next wash day or as I prepare to stretch my hair out for a style, which is what I will be doing today. I'm going to share all the products that I use so that you can consider them as well as the method. Now, please note, I don't just leave my hair dry, okay? Every single day I spritz my hair with water. That is because hydration is very important. I will always emphasize hydration, hydration, hydration. If you're trying to keep healthy hair that does not break and that will retain length as well, meaning that you need that moisture. And moisture does not work without hydration, or rather moisture cannot be retained without hydration. Hydration is key. Another thing that I do is that I do oil my hairline as well as my scalp every other day. So I do it in the morning usually so that I have the whole day for the oil to dry and to do its thing on my scalp. I also do scalp massages whenever I feel like it. Honestly, I'm not too strict about that. It does help with blood flow, circulation, whatnot to help your hair grow. However, I don't really have a schedule for that. Without saying much more, let's get into it. So like I said, step one, hydration. And then I use my hands and I make sure to massage this water in. If I don't do this, then honestly the water just sits on the top, which defeats the purpose. So I go ahead and I massage the water into my hair. Now I've gone ahead and divided my hair into four. As I've said in previous videos, dividing my hair into four, dividing your hair into 4 or 5 or 6, depending on how short or long your hair is, it really makes your hair more manageable and makes sure that you get to every single part of your hair strands. So this is what we're looking like. This is the section that I am going to start with. Here is the moisturizer that I am currently using. It is by The Perfect Hair. I'll place the image here as well as the price. I bought it from Clicks a couple of months ago. Yeah, what I know is that it's on the more affordable lower end of products, but it does the job. Buy products that are within your budget, okay, that are within your price range, and as well that fit the ingredients that you need in your hair. So I am a big fan of shea butter, coconut oil, and grapeseed oil, almond oil, any oil really, and shea butter again and again for retaining moisture and for actually just moisturizing my hair. My hair does not do well with castor oil, so I personally avoid products that have castor oil in them. I only use castor oil as a hot oil treatment because I know it's something I'm going to rinse out quite soon. So I go in quite generously. That is how much I'm taking. I've already spritzed the section with water, remember? So I'm just gonna go in and I definitely do create subsections as I go, just so that I can cover as much of my hair as possible. This also serves as a moment to detangle really while I prepare for stretching my hair. Sorry, I do have a mirror over here in front of me. That is why I am looking this side. Then to seal in the moisture that I've just put on my hair now, I use an oil blend. This is a blend of oils that I've made myself. I've honestly been using my own oil blends for, oh shucks, I want to say since 2016. So yeah, it's been a really long time. That's almost 10 years, insane. and I switch up my own mix depending on what I think my hair needs are. So right now in here I have mixed in almond oil, grapeseed oil, olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, as well as peppermint oil. I'm in the process of healing my scalp and prioritizing hair growth, which is where peppermint oil comes in. You can also use tea tree oil, and as you do your hair more and more, you start to learn what your hair likes and doesn't like, so you can then adjust accordingly. However, there are pre-blended oils that you can buy from Clicks. I will put suggestions over here, a suggestion or two over here. I have previously tried Aunt Jackie's ones, which is probably what I will be suggesting. I don't like to suggest things that I personally have not tried yet. So yeah. However, there are many advantages to mixing your own oils, just like there are many advantages to making your own food and stuff like that. I am in full control of the quantity of oils that are in here, the percentages and everything, and I know exactly what's in here. I am 1000% sure there are no preservatives, there are no added chemicals and stuff, because I did this myself. But I know that a lot of people aren't really into that vibe. It does take a lot of work, and it does take a lot of work. But I enjoy the work, so it's fine. Anyway, I'm gonna go in with this oil, and I just put some in my hand. And I go into my hair. Like I said, I'm using oil to seal in all the moisture that I've just put now. And once I've done my style, I'll also go ahead and put this on my scalp, because my scalp loves oil. Oh my word, I remember there was a time period where the natural hair community was really speaking negatively about using oils. Well, I'm still here. I'm still at it. I'm still part of the youth oil gang. So now I am going to twist my hair, because I want to do a twist out about 2 days from now, which means I need to actually twist my hair for that. So that is what I'm doing. I always swirl the ends because I want to make sure that I just seal in the moisture on my ends. If I feel like it's unraveling, I just go back and redo the twist. Really, there isn't much to it. There isn't much I can do to stop that from happening, rather. There you go, my first 2 twists. Now that I'm done with my moisturizing and twisting, it's time for me to oil my scalp. So I just put in some oil into my fingers, like so. Rub it, and then I just go ahead and put it all over my scalp.
This joy deep down inside me, I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has.
Don't forget your edges, as always. Please, I beg, your edges. Now I'm gonna leave my hair to air dry. A tip for when you sleep tonight, right? On the day where you've done all of this moisturizing, all of this oiling, I tend to do a double duck method, as in I sleep with 2 hair drops on, because I do not want this oil to seep through my pillowcases. It has happened before, trust me, it will happen if you don't double wrap your head or sleep on a towel or something of that nature. I prefer to use a duck, and then over that duck I use my bonnet. That is how I ensure that this oil only stays on my hair. After a few days, then there'll be less oil, so then I just go back to then sleeping with just my satin bonnet afterwards. But we're done. If you've made it to the end of this video, thank you. I hope that you're inspired to moisturize your hair, and I hope this method and product suggestions will come in handy for you. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.
Almost lost my mind a couple times.